In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap icons in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to cleanly replace an existing icon with a new one while keeping your layout intact and your design looking consistent. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. From your dashboard, head into the file where your design lives. Then open the specific page or frame that contains the icon you want to replace. Take a quick moment to zoom in so you can clearly see the icon and the elements around it. This makes it easier to keep your spacing and alignment consistent. Now, with your canvas in view, identify the icon you're replacing. Make sure you select the actual icon layer rather than a whole group or frame surrounding it. If clicking on it selects too much, try Command or Control clicking to drill down to the exact layer. Once you're confident you've got the right element, you can delete the old icon. Don't worry, if you change your mind, you can always undo. Next, bring in your new icon. Wherever the new icon is saved, on your computer or in your design library, simply drag it onto the canvas. As you drag, hover over the spot where the old icon used to sit. Figma's smart guides will help you snap into place relative to nearby elements. If the new icon comes in larger or smaller than the previous one, resize it by dragging a corner handle. Holding Shift while you resize keeps its proportions intact so the icon doesn't look stretched. Aim to match the size and position of the old icon as closely as possible. You can use the pink alignment guides to line it up with text, buttons, or other icons nearby. If your design relies on consistent padding, watch the spacing around the icon so it fits neatly into its original area. For precise control, you can nudge the icon with your arrow keys. A quick zoom in helps ensure edges align and curves look sharp. Once the new icon is in place, give the frame a quick scan to confirm everything still looks balanced. Check that the icon's color, style, and visual weight feel right alongside the surrounding elements. If something looks off, adjust the size slightly or reposition it until it blends seamlessly. That's it. You opened Figma, opened your page, removed the old icon, and dragged in the new one to the exact same spot. Save your file, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.